Hi, this is Pam Reynolds, and I'm going to be doing my technology integrated lesson for a kindergarten class for an ELD lesson, which should take about 45 minutes. The kids will first come and take out their classroom device, which could be a tablet or a laptop, and then scan in this QR code. Since our kinder class, it's easier access than entering in a code. We will quickly review classroom expectations just as a reminder. And then after I've welcomed them to the class, I will do a quick summary of the lesson, which I'll explain that they're going to be introduced to two new vocabulary words. And then as a whole group, we're going to watch and follow along with the read aloud, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And then we will take about 5 minutes to discuss why the caterpillar was so hungry and why his tummy ached. And then we'll try to discover what food it is that makes him happy. Here's two vocabulary words that we're going to introduce that tie in directly with the lesson. And I will do from Pear Deck, I will do a quick check-in, and they'll be able to circle how they're feeling, and any problems that there might be, we can get addressed right away. As a whole group, we will do the read aloud on the big interactive screen. We will watch The Very Hungry Caterpillar read aloud. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get through that, and then we'll have a discussion, question and answer after that about the foods that he did eat, the foods that made his tummy hurt, the foods that made him feel happy. And then for comprehension purposes, I created a quizzes quiz and a QR code for easy access. I did a this or that with a hamburger and a healthy sandwich just to kind of get the topic, the discussion going before they even get into the healthy foods portion of it. We are going to also, on this Pear Deck slide, I inserted an informational video on what caterpillars really eat. And after we watch the video, they'll be able to use the Pear Deck slide to answer a multiple choice to see if they're comprehending the material. And then they should be able to draw a picture on this Pear Deck slide of healthy caterpillar food versus unhealthy caterpillar food. This again will assess whether or not they're comprehending the material. This is a video that will just describe the different food groups and they're healthy and how they are incorporated into a well-balanced diet. And finally, on this Pear Deck, it's a drawing slide. I added pictures that they would be able to circle the healthy foods. And again, this is just a little assessment and fun, a fun thing to talk about, to discuss, maybe make sure that they're understanding the lesson. And then as a recap, we'll just be finding out what they thought of the lesson. Was it too hard? Was it interesting? Or did they find the information boring? And that should be fun. The very last slide, I included the standards and the objectives that would be covered for the ELD anyways, is for this demographic of students that they will be able to use a touchscreen device with a stylus to annotate an image for a slideshow. And then the health standard is that the students will be able to identify and choose healthy foods in various settings. And then also they will understand the importance of a well-balanced diet. And that concludes the lesson. Thank you.